What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So for today we're on a little ride out up and over Exmoor. So up front we have Malcolm, who's organised and planned the whole route. Thank you very much, Malcolm, for doing that. Then we have the Curious Goose on his little Sinus 125, who crazily wild camped overnight before we got here. And then we have, just in front of me, Charlie, or Chunky Beardy Biker, and behind me is Nick on his GSA. So as mentioned, we are heading up and over Exmoor. Our first stop will be Wimbleball Lake, which is going to be absolutely stunning. There's not, well, there's hardly a cloud in the sky. You can't really call them clouds that I see. And we are just about to turn right at the next roundabout. So yeah, we're going to head on the A377 for a bit on the Crediton Road, which is a great road. Oh, look at all those hay bales. You can tell you're in Devon. Trying to keep an eye on the road, but look at the scenery at the same time, which is obviously dangerous. Okay, so we've just come through South Molton and we're now on the B3190, which is another brilliant road that's going to take us up towards Wimbleball Lake. Wow, look at that view, guys. I give you North Devon. It's absolutely amazing. You alright, mate?
Yeah.
Shiny, because they stand out a mile from the back in my mirrors.
Yeah?
Yeah, massively.
It's quite a striking bike. Nearly every time I stop, someone asks me about it.
It's not the colour scheme I would go for, but I know why you like it. Malk, how you going?
Yeah, mate, that right?
Yeah, everything's good with me. Do you want me, when we get to the turn off of Wimbleball, do you want me to come past?
If you wouldn't mind, yeah, that'd be...
And then lead us into the cafe?
Just in case, yeah, that'd be excellent.
I'm glad we've stopped so I could ask that question, because I was thinking about just going flying past, but then people will be like, what's he off doing? It's doing epic stuff. And there's my baby GS. It's not a baby. It's looking good. How you doing, Charlie?
Yeah, mate, you?
Yeah, good, mate. Good. You've not been up here before? No. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Road surface is good.
Yeah.
And the scenery is absolutely amazing. The goose had to go for a wee. What you got there?
water. Just too much. It's really affecting me in the corners.
Oh, you mean the weight of it?
Yeah. When I go over, there's a delay, and then the water goes over. So it makes me go wobbly all over the place.
Is that your excuse?
Yeah, that and the L plate.
What a stunning view. Oh yeah, fighter. Just on our final run into Wimbleball Lake. We're not far to go really. Then we're going to get a cup of tea, maybe get the drone out. Right, you should be able to just make out the lake through the trees, but we're going to get a better view of it in a second, guys, because we're just about to drop onto the bridge. Are you ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Look at that. Right. I got a wasp.
Oh shit.
Alright, we made it to Wimbleball Lake. It was a great ride out. Roads are nice and twisty. I got a little bit carried away and overtook Malcolm a bit too early, but we all did good. We're all together still.